Welcome to PaidToday, how to set a background image on a section in the website builder. So first thing you want to do, open up your website builder, find the website you want to edit and add that stuff into. So we're just going to use this testing one. And then we're going to go ahead and just create a new page. So under new page or wrapper, we'll just call it background image, HTML, create page. And then we're going to go into the editor, the visual editor. Okay, so we got a blank slate here. First thing we want to do, grab the layout, and we're going to go ahead and drag a section in. And then we're going to drag a container in on that. And then if you want 1 column, 2 columns, 3 or 4, you can use these as well. Let's just do a 2 column inside of that container. Okay. Now, I'm just going to throw a little text heading in on the left side here. That one's too big. So I don't want that. I want the smaller one. Just drag it right into the column on the left. And then on the right, we'll just put in a responsive image under default components. I'll just go ahead and upload one really quick. Okay. Now, if you want to, let's save this. Now we want to get a background image on this. So what we want to do is we want to go to the section. So this one here in the hierarchy. So whatever one you click on, it'll take you to. Right, so we're further in. We just want the section. And then we're going to go over to the element settings on the brush and then go down to background. And then right here there's a plus for the background. We'll go ahead and click on that, and then we're going to click images. And it's going to ask us for an image. And I want mountains. And I'll double click on that. And then the repeat, we want no repeat, center, and then I'm going to do a cover. And then if you want it, if it's fixed, it'll be parallax and it'll kind of move in the background. If you do just scroll, it'll be set. And so then you would change this, like, do you want more of the top of the image showing or more of the bottom of the image showing? And so that's how you get the background image on a section. And then things that you can do now. So if we have this back here, if I want to be able to read this text a little bit nicer, I can click on the container we have. We can be in the background tab as well under the element settings. And then we can just set a color if I want. And then we can do a little transparency so that you can read it a little bit better. So if we do a dark background there, then what I would do is grab the row, do the typography, and I'll change the color of my text. See? So if we save this, we'll go ahead and give it a preview. And then we can see that we've got a background image here. And we've got our text and our 2 columns, and so that's how you can easily switch and change background images. And you'll want to put background images in most cases on the section. It is possible to do it on other stuff, but the idea, the flow that you want to follow is section, container, and then your rows and columns inside of that. And that way it makes it a lot easier to work with.